So with the drone journalism class, our goal is to provide the students with a basis for being able to use drones in a professional setting, and most importantly know the legal aspects and also the safety issues that surround drones and how to properly use them. So the students are flying today in the drogue cage. They're going to be practicing different maneuvers and getting used to the controls and how they react, and just figuring out really how to use them.
Just from starting this class this semester, I've been researching a bit more how drones can be used in a professional career path. I think it can really broaden your ideas when it comes to journalism, and I think I'm really excited to start looking into sports videography from drones, so that'll be fun.
I hope with this class that it'll give them the tool set needed to fly professionally and give them another skill that they can use to help get a job after college.